Hey friends, if Windows is stuck on working on updates, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to rename the software distribution folder. Why are we renaming the software distribution folder? Because the software distribution folder uh, is the one which contains the cache files associated with Windows updates. And if those cache files are corrupt, then that becomes the main reason behind this problem where you get stuck on working for updates. So we have a script here. I'll share it in the description section of the video. Copy it, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on run as administrator, paste it here and start running all of these videos. The next solution is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters and then you can click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and fix them if possible. The last solution is to check the internet speed. Search for this website fast.com in the search bar and check your internet speed. Is it good enough? If it is, then the update should download, else you need to ask for more speed from your internet service provider or work on increasing the speed of your system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.